Whakatika te hinengaro, whakapakari te tīnana, whakahonua te wairua. Māori tū, Māori toa, aramai te Māori ora te hinengaro.
Kare au e whakaiti a koe, kare au e kata, kare au e tipi haere taku prata.
Kia tō tara te tū, aha koi, pōhara te tipu. Rapping in te reo is really fun. When you're rapping, it just flows together so nicely. And you know, rap is all about the flow, so it's a great language to rap in. I first got into hip-hop when I was like 13, when my sister gave me a Lupe Fiasco CD. I kind of got my eyes open to this whole other world of hip-hop, you know, positive content and music with meaning.
Don't make the mistake and refer to me as a Kiwi, cause I'm something greater, Rangi toku iwi.
When I first started in hip-hop, the things I loved about it were the fact that a lot of brown people were doing it. It was street commentary, it was telling you what was happening on the street at the time.
Hip-hop is about expression and storytelling, and it's a creative outlet for that energy.
Hip-hop in New Zealand is doing good things right now, and there's more and more variety within it, which is cool because it expands our minds more, pushes the genre forward, and it pushes the culture forward.
So my music, it's revolutionary indigenous hip-hop from a perspective of an indigenous person growing up in a colonized landscape. The things that we go through as rangatahi, all the obstacles that we face as being Māori.
Like, I try to be pretty careful about what I say in my music and make sure that it comes under this umbrella of rangatiratanga, which is about chieftainship and about being a chief of your own environment, your own destiny, your own mind and body. My music is just like a mashup of who I am, really. You chuck in the te reo element as well. Like, I grew up learning te reo from my mum. That's grounded me a lot as who I am as an artist and who I am as a person. Using some te reo in my music is important to, you know, help me practice and help make another avenue for me to be exposed to the language.
Te reo just sounds mean when it's rapped. Like, I had heaps of people that hit me up that weren't Māori that were like, what did you say in that section? What were, I don't know what it is, but I would keep rewinding it to that section.
Māori tū, Māori toa, aramai te Māori ora te hinengaro.
I've always used te reo in my songs. All of my albums are bilingual. I wanted something for my reo speaking friends and whānau to be able to listen to rap music like they would in the club, but this time it's in te reo.
People are embracing their identity and their cultures more in their own music. To see other New Zealand artists that aren't even Māori dropping some reo bombs in their music, which is dope to hear. I'm like, here, you use as much reo as you want in your music. That is so cool to hear. Kia ora whānau. Just wanted to say, if you're thinking of chucking something in for the Waiata Māori video challenge, I just wanted to say, ko wae whakamā, don't be shy, don't be scared. It's always good to give it a go. Let's go whānau, rehe koho. Ko wate ine, e mate tāne. Ko wate ine, mo irawe, anei e tau au ne, paikare.